Majid. Oh, strike is Tausi Butt. Mohammad Asif कितने बनाने हैं पलालन टीम को? The total target is 141 runs. It's total target for CSK Palalan. Now Arif to the batsman Tausif. This is a wide delivery given by the umpire. The score on board is wide with this. Mohammad Asif signal weak. Mohammad Asif, thanks for your support, thanks for your love. For this I am very sorry. Here is also the problem of signal. Now Arif to the batsman Tausif. This is a cut delivery by Arif. Beat the batsman Tausif. No run. Score remains on 1. यहाँ पे ये कट लेने होंगे फ्रांस 11 चुकर को. If they want to stay in this match, in this tournament, they take their early wickets. Now Arif to the batsman Tausif. Oh, this is great delivery by Arif. Beat the batsman Tausif. Good delivery. Dot delivery. No run. Score remains on 1. Mohammad Asif. Okay, bro. Thank you. Mohammad Asif साहब for your love for watching this live stream. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप तक वीडियो की क्वालिटी और आवाज कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए. This is Arif to the batsman Tausif. Here was the chance of Iker Khan, but at the end very good fielding by Irshad. But cannot stop the two batsmen take a single. With this single the score moves on 2. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप तक वीडियो की क्वालिटी और हमारी आवाज आप तक कैसी पहुंच पा रही है और आप जरूर लिखिए आप इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को कहां से देख रहे हो. थैंक यू शाह साहब. थैंक यू मोहम्मद आसिफ एंड थैंक यू शाह फॉर योर लव टू CSK Palalan. Now the new batsman is on strike is Danish is on strike. Arif to the batsman Danish. Oh, here is Danish player a shot at the end. Very good fielding, but at the end the two batsmen take. Here is Yasto. At the end the two batsmen complete a single. With this single the score moves on 2. Mohammad Asif अच्छी क्वालिटी है और साउंड भी just like hand quality. Thank you Asif साहब for joining us with this live stream. And keep share this live stream, and you can also watching this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Right now this is Arif on his bowling mark to the batsman Tausif. The score on board is 3. The total target is 141 given by France 11 Chukar. Can France 11 Chukar repeat this total? It will be seen in next. आज ये कट लेने होंगे. Now Arif to the batsman Tausif. Oh, this is good delivery. Great delivery by Arif. No run. Score remains on 3 without any wicket. Now Arif on his first over. This is the second inning of this match between CSK Palalan versus France 11 Chukars. Arif to the batsman Tausif. Oh, this is a great delivery by Arif. Beat the batsman Tausif. After 1 hour the score on board is 3 without any wicket. Yettu Ejaz, good voice. Thank you Yettu Ejaz for joining us with this live stream, and thanks for your support, thanks for your love. Keep share this live stream with your friends. Mohammad Asif, ये तोहफा लगता है Arif. Thank you Asif साहब for your love to Arif. Very good bowling at the end by Arif. After 1 hour the score on board is 3 for no loss. यहाँ पे अगर इस मैच में बने रहना है फ्रंट 11 चुकर को तो ये कट चटकाने होंगे क्योंकि the target is only 141 for CSK Palalan. अगर हम बैटिंग की बात करें CSK Palalan की तो बैटिंग बल्लेबाजी में बहुत ही गहराई है उनके पास. वो क्षमता रखते हैं इस टोटल को हासिल करने में. इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें, ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें, ज्यादा से ज्यादा और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें ताकि इसमें ज्यादा लोग जुट पाए और घर बैठे इस मैच को आनंद ले सकते हैं इस मैच का. So this is a correct delivery by the bowler. Umar Elahi is the new bowler. Very good bowling. Beat the batsman Danish. The score remains on 3 without any loss. Here Chukkar France 11. They need the early wickets here if they want to stay in this match, stay in this tournament, because this is quarter final period at Chukkar Tolba ground. This is under 19 tournament. The three teams before this: Tangmark Billus, Kashmir United, and Chukkar Cricket Club is are the teams who already qualified for semi-finals. This is another great delivery by Umar Elahi, and the score remains on 3. Muhammad Asif, thanks for your support. Thanks for joining us with this broadcast. Umar Elahi is the best bowler. Thank you, Umar. This is another good delivery by Umar Elahi, but cannot. Here is yes no at the end. The two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 4. Here, the batsmen of CSK Palal, they need to be cool and calm here because they have low total on this pitch. 141 they need only. Umar Elahi, thanks for your love to thanks for your love to Umar Elahi. Now Muhammad Asif, amazing. Thank you, Muhammad Asif, sir, for your love, for your support to this pro live broadcast. This is Tausif but on strike now. Umar Elahi to the batsman Tausif but. Oh, this is another good delivery. Beat the batsman Tausif but. यहाँ पे ऐसे ही गेंदबाजी करनी होगी फ्रांस 11 चुकर को. विकेट चटकाने होंगे because they give only the total 141 runs to CSK Palalan. Now Umar Elahi to the batsman Tausif. Here the player plays a shot for 4. This is first 4 for Tausif and first 4 for CSK Palalan. With this 4, the score moves on 8 without any loss. Here the two batsmen need to be cool and calm because they have low total to win this match. 141 is the total target for CSK Palalan. Now Umar Elahi to the batsman at the end. The batsman plays a good shot played by the batsman Tausif for 4. This is 4 for Tausif, 4 for CSK Palalan. The score moves on 12 runs without any loss. यहाँ पे cool और calm cricket खेलनी होगी CSK Palalan को because they have low total 141 runs to win this match and qualify in semi-finals. After 2 hours, the score is 12 without any loss. आज निराश किया चुकर फ्रंट 11 चुकर ने अपने चाहने वालों को because they lost their early wickets here at Chukkar Tolba ground. This is a very important match between the two teams. CSK Palalan versus the front 11 Chukkar. आज क्वार्टर फाइनल है इन दो टीमों के दरमियान. फ्रंट 11 चुक्कर वर्सेस CSK Palalan. Now the new bowler is Sikandar is the new bowler. This is a great bowling by Sikandar. Beat the batsman here, Danish. Score remains on 12. The two batsmen not need to hurry here because they have low total of 141 to win this match, to qualify in semi-finals. Can they win this match? Oh, this is a very great delivery by Sikandar. Beat the batsman Danish. This is a very good quality of delivery by Sikandar. Beat the batsman Danish. They need to be this kind of deliveries here, this kind of bowling if they want to stay in this match, stay in this tournament, because this is very important match here between the two teams. This is a here was the chance of a catch, but at the end of captain Huzef Mir lost this chance here. This is a 4 for Danish, 4 for France CSK Palalan. The score moves on 16 without any loss. आज यहाँ पे अगर बात करें CSK Palalan की तो तारीफ करनी होगी उनके बॉलरों की. बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज चुक्कर तलबा ग्राउंड में. The target is only 141 runs for CSK Palalan. Here was the chance of a catch, but they lost this chance of Danish. This is Sikandar on his bowling mark to the batsman Danish. Oh, this is a good comeback by Sikandar. Very good comeback. Good delivery at and this is dot delivery. No run. Score remains on 16 without any wicket. Here the batsmen of CSK Palalan. They need to be calm and cool here because they have low total to win this match. Sikandar to the batsman Danish. Another shot played by the batsman. Oh, very good fielding by the captain of this team, France 11. But cannot stop the batsman to take a single. With the single, the score moves on 17 without any loss. Now Danish moves on 7. The batsman on strike is Tausif. Mohammad Asif Arif को फिर से लाना पड़ेगा. Thank you Mohammad Asif to support France 11 Chukar, and thanks for your good suggestion to France 11 Chukar. Now this is Sikandar to the batsman Tausif. This is another good delivery by Sikandar. Very good delivery. Dot delivery. No run. Score remains on 17 after 3 hours. Mohammad Asif Arif Chukar का हाल है. Chukar का क्या हाल है? Thank you Mohammad Asif साहब for your love to France 11 Chukar. This is a very good comeback by the batsman, two batsmen, Tausif and Danish. The score on board is 17 after 3 hours. आज निराश किया अपने चाहने वालों को चुकर फ्रांस 11 ने. आज जैसे कि जल्दी थी आज चुकर 11 फ्रांस के बैट्समैनों को, बल्लेबाजों को काफी कम टारगेट दिया सीएसके पलालन को. This is a low total at this pitch because this is a batting pitch here at Chukar Tulba ground. Now the new bowler is very aggressive and talented cricketer of this team. Very good delivery by the bowler. This is a Tawfiq. Oh, very good delivery by the bowler Tawfiq. Beat the batsman. Very good delivery. But Emu, good commentary, brother. Keep it up. Thank you, but Emu Saab, for your love, for your support to this live stream, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Tawfiq to the batsman Danish. Here was a chance and Arif, the fielder, missed this catch. But very good fielding by at and Arif. This is a total delivery, no run. Score remains on 17 without any wicket. Here France 11 Chukar, they need early wickets if they want to stay in this match, stay in this tournament. Now Tawfiq to the batsman Danish. This is another good delivery by Tawfiq. Very good delivery. Beat the batsman Danish. The score remains on 70 without any loss. आपका शुक्रिया पार्टी मुसाब इस लाइव स्ट्रीम में जुड़ने के लिए. So this is a Tawfiq to the batsman Danish. Danish wants to hit this delivery, but at the end he misses this. Here was the appeal by the, but at the end they can also impress the umpire. So this is a dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 17 without any wicket. Mohammad Asif Arif कहाँ गया? Thank you Mohammad Asif Saab for your good suggestion to France 11 Chukar. Now this is Tawfiq to the batsman here. Tawfiq Danish plays a good shot here for 4. This is 4 for Danish, 4 for CSK Palawan. With this 4, the score moves on 21 without any loss. Here the two batsmen need to be cool and calm because they have low total. 141 run is the target for win this match to qualify in semi-finals. Can Chukar France 11 defeat this total? It will be seen in Nikas. Next, now Sikandar is on bowling mark to the batsman Tawfiq. But Sikandar to the batsman. Here is a put toss and a very good shot played by the batsman Tawfiq. This is 4 for Tawfiq, 4 for CSK. The score moves on 25 without any loss. Very good shot played by the batsman Tawfiq, but Rafiq Rafi and a Traders Patan Palawan team plays here. Thank you Rafiq Saab for joining us with this live broadcast on my Facebook, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Sikandar to the batsman Danish. Here is a good comeback by Sikandar. Good delivery, dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 25. Here the two batsmen need to be cool and calm because they have low total of 141 runs. Now Sikandar on his bowling mark to the batsman Tawfiq, but he is on 13. Oh, not good delivery by Sikandar. The two batsmen take a single here. Sohail Pare, they can defeat it. Just keep bowling on a good line and length. Thank you, Sohail Pare. Fall you allowed to France 11 Chukar. The good session given by Sohail Pare to France 11 Chukar. They need to need early wickets here. They need to be calm and cool cricket. मोहम्मद आसिफ आपका शुक्रिया, रफीक राबी आपका भी शुक्रिया इस लाइव स्ट्रीम में जुड़ने के लिए, और सोहेल पहरी आपका भी शुक्रिया इस लाइव स्ट्रीम में जुड़ने के लिए. नाउ सिकंदर on his bowling mark to the batsman Danish. This is a great bowling by Sikandar. Beat the batsman Danish. No run score remains on 26 without any loss. Here, France 11 Chukar, they need early wickets here if they want to stay in this match, stay in this tournament. Now Sikandar to the batsman Danish, another good delivery, dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 26 without any wicket. The score on board is 26 without any wicket. Sikandar on his bowling mark to the batsman Danish. Oh, Danish wants to hit this ball, but at the end, very good delivery by Sikandar. Dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 26 without any loss. आप सबका शुक्रिया इस लाइव स्ट्रीम में जुड़ने के लिए. आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को शेयर करें अपने दोस्तों के साथ, ताकि बाकी जो देखने वाले हो घर बैठे इस लाइव स्ट्रीम का आनंद ले सके. सो दिस इज सिकंदर on his bowling mark. This is the last delivery of this Sikandar over. The score remains on 26 without any loss. The two batsmen need to be cool and calm here. Sikandar to the batsman Danish. Oh, this is a good shot played by the batsman Danish, and this is 4 for Danish, 4 for CSK Palalan. The score moves on 30 without any wicket. The partnership moves on 30 in 30 deliveries. After 5 overs, the score on board is 30. Very good shot played by the batsman Danish. He moves on 15 runs he in 18 deliveries. Dar Talib, hi. Thank you. Dar Talib, आपका शुक्रिया इस लाइव स्ट्रीम में जुड़ने के लिए. Thanks to join us with this live broadcast. Keep share this, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Right now the new bowler is Tawfiq is on his bowling mark. आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को शेयर करें, ताकि घर बैठे बाकी देखने वाले इस मैच को आनंद ले सके इस मैच का. So Tawfiq on his bowling mark to the batsman Tawseef Butt. Here was a chance, very good appeal, but cannot impress the umpire. This is a great delivery by Tawfiq. Great delivery by the bowler Tawfiq. Score remains on 30 without any loss. Now Muhammad Asif leg side. Thank you Muhammad Asif sir for your suggestion. This is Tawfiq to the batsman Tawseef. Tawseef plays a shot and this is 6 for Tawseef and 6 for CSK Palalan. इससे पहले भी हमने कहा था कि CSK Palalan के पास बल्लेबाजी में बहुत ही गहराई है. उनके पास अच्छे बल्लेबाज है इस मैच इस हज़फ को हासिल करने में. They have low total here, 141 runs total target for CSK Palalan. Now the score on board is 36 without any wicket. This is a great batting by the two batsmen Tawseef and Danish. This is Tawseef to the batsman Tawfiq. Here another shot played by the batsman. This is another 6. Very good shot played by the batsman. 2 bowlers, 2 sixes. Very good shot played by Tawfiq Butt. The score moves on 42 without any loss. The individual score of Tawfiq Butt 26. Very good batting by the two batsmen Tawfiq and Danish. Rafiq, assalamu alaikum. Walaikum salam, Rafiq Saab, and thank you for joining us with this live broadcast on my Facebook page, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. And you can also support me on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए, आप तमाम का शुक्रिया। और इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो भी इस लाइव स्ट्रीम का मजा ले, इस मैच का आनंद ले, जो कि आज CSK पलालन वर्सेस फ्रंट्स 11 चुकर आज क्वार्टर फाइनल खेला जा रहा है इन दो टीमों के दरमियान। कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी क्वालिटी और आवाज़ कैसी पहुंच पा रही है, और कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप हमारी लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट कहां से देख रहे हैं। मोहम्मद आसिफ आरिफ को लाना पड़ेगा। थैंक यू मोहम्मद आसिफ साहब, आपका ये नहीं मान रहे हैं, उनको लाना ही पड़ेगा आरिफ को, बिकॉज ही इज वन ऑफ द गुड बॉलर ऑफ फ्रंट्स 11 चुकर। यहाँ पे विकेट लेने होंगे फ्रंट्स 11 चुकर को अगर इस मैच में बने रहना है, क्योंकि ये दो बैट्समैन आग उगलते हुए यहाँ पे तौसीफ और दानिश। CSK पलालन उनके पास बैटिंग में बहुत ही गहराई है, अभी बहुत ही अच्छे बल्लेबाजी बाकी है CSK पलालन की। नाउ तौसीफ, he is very expensive in this over, 2 sixes in this over by Tausif, but very good batting by Tausif, but he is on 26 in just 15 deliveries. Danish, he is also on 15 runs in 18 deliveries. आप इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें। Now Tausif to the and this is a good comeback by Taufik. Very good comeback, good delivery by Taufik. Dot delivery, no run, beat the batsman Taufik, but यहाँ पे फ्रंट्स 11 चुकर को विकेट लेने होंगे। Now Taufik to Taufik, this is good shot played by the batsman. This is another 4 for Taufik, another 4 for CSK Palalan. The score moves on 42. This is a very expensive over of Taufik. Taufik to the batsman Tausif. Oh, दंदनारा हुआ छक्का। 6 here by Tausif, but this is 6 for Taufik and 6 for CSK पलालन। इससे पहले भी हमने कहा था कि ये छोटा सा हज़फ दिया है आज फ्रंट्स 11 चुकर ने CSK पलालन को। उनमें वो क्षमता है इस हज़फ को जल्दी चेस करने में, क्योंकि उनको गहराई है बल्लेबाजी में। Now they need only 89 runs. Now they need 52 on board without any wicket. Taufik, but he moves on 36. Very expensive over by Taufik. 3 sixes, 1 4. Very expensive over this by Taufik. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है CSK पलालन के बॉलर्स की। आज अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे चुकर तुलबा ग्राउंड में। इरशाद Now this CSK Palalan, they need only 89 runs to win this match and qualify in semi-finals. Today, very well played by CSK Palalan with ball, with fielding, with great keeping. Now the batsman, 2 batsmen, Tausif and Danish, they also played well. 52 runs partnership by the 2 batsmen, Danish and Taufik. Kaisar Mir watching from Bahrampura, thank you Kaisar Mir for joining us with this live broadcast. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को देखने के लिए, और इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को और भी घर में बैठे हुए लोग देख पाए, इस मैच का आनंद ले, क्योंकि एक इम्पोर्टेंट मैच है फ्रंट्स 11 चुकर वर्सेस CSK पलालन। आज निराश किया फ्रंट्स 11 चुकर ने, खासकर आरिफ द बिग मैन ऑफ दिस टीम फ्रंट्स 11 चुकर, खासकर इरशाद जो एक बिग हिटर माना जाता है फ्रंट्स 11 चुकर, उसने भी आज निराश किया अपने चाहने वाले को, निराश किया आज फ्रंट्स 11 चुकर ने। आज मौका था सेमीफाइनल्स में जाने को, लेकिन आज दाद देनी होगी सीएसके पलालन की एक अच्छे खेल का मुजाहरा किया, बॉलिंग से भी, फील्डिंग से भी। और अब बैट्समैन आग उगलते हुए यहाँ पे, खासकर तौफीक एंड दानिश। 52 ऑन बोर्ड विदाउट एनी विकेट। The captain of this Huzayf Amir, he take not good decision today. He win the toss, but he take not good decision to bat first. But it is cricket, win or loss. It is a match. It is cricket. It's sports. Here need to be cool and calm. The two teams plays very well cricket here. Chukatul background. Now Wahid Bashir, thank you Wahid Bashir sir for your love, for your support. This is Wahid Bashir live us, join us with this live broadcast on my Facebook page Mohammad Anas bin Bilal. आपका शुक्रिया वाहिद बशीर साहब इस लाइव स्ट्रीम में जुड़ने के लिए। आप इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे बाकी जो देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का आनंद लें। This is a very decent tournament played here by the organizer Abdul Hamid, Kamran Bhatt, Mir Ubaid. Disciplined, impressive, talented tournament played at Chukatul ground. This is under 19 tournament here. The two teams are CSK Palalan and Flanders 11 Chukar. Now Arif is on bowling mark. He is on his second over. आप सबका शुक्रिया इस लाइव स्ट्रीम में जुड़ने के लिए। दानिश ऑन, this is a great delivery by Arif. Beat the batsman Danish. Here the two batsmen need to be cool and calm because they have a low total here to win this match, to qualify in semi-finals. Now they need only 89 runs in 83 deliveries and they have 10 wickets in hand. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करिए। आप हमारे YouTube चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल, वहां पे भी इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को देख सकते। नाउ Arif to the batsman Danish. Here is another delivery by Arif, beat the batsman, but at the end it is a dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 52 without any wicket. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है। पर एजाज, थैंक्स फॉर ज्वाइन अस विद दिस ब्रॉडकास्ट। अस्सलाम वालेकुम बिलाल साहब, थैंक यू। वालेकुम सलाम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। सो दिस इज आरिफ टू द बैट्समैन दानिश. This is another good delivery by Arif, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With the single, the score moves on 53 without any wicket. यहाँ पे सुस्त नजर दिखाई देते हैं फील्डर्स ऑफ फ्रंट साइड में चुकर। यहाँ पे पानी की जरूरत है इन प्लेयरों को क्योंकि एक लो टोटल दिया है आज सीएसके पलालन को। 141 runs target for CSK Palalan. Now they have 53 on board without any wicket. Mir Mudassir, do not worry, France 11 Chukar. You have Tawfiq. He has signals how to lose the match. Thanks. Oh, this is a great delivery, good delivery, but at the end missed by wicketkeeper. The two batsmen take a single here in the shape of extras. The score moves on 54 without any wicket. Mir Mudassir, thanks for your good session to France 11 Chukar and thanks for your love to France 11 Chukar. Here they give low total 141 runs. CSK Palalan now they need only 88 runs. Arif to the batsman Danish. Oh, very good delivery by Arif. Beat the batsman. यहाँ पे विकेट लेने होंगे। यहाँ पे विकेट दरकार है फ्रांस 11 चुकर को अगर इस मैच में बने रहना है, क्योंकि स्कोर जो है, टारगेट जो है वो बहुत ही कम है। द स्कोर ऑन बोर्ड इज 54 विदाउट एनी विकेट. नाउ आरिफ कम्स टू बॉल on his ball to the batsman Danish. Danish wants to cut this but beat, and this is end of 7 overs. The score is 54 runs without any. Tawfiq Butt is on 36. Danish is on 16. Tawfiq Butt very well knock off 36. Very huge sixes by Tawfiq Butt. Tawfiq Butt के पास क्षमता है खेलने की, उसके पास टेक्निक है, पावर है, गहराई है बल्लेबाजी में तौफीक बट के पास. Now they need only 87 runs in 13 overs. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए, और इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो लोग हैं वो देखने इसे, अपने इस मैच को देखने में इस मैच का आनंद लें. Now Umar to the batsman Tawfiq Butt. Here is a good delivery by Tawfiq Butt. Sorry, this is Umar Eli is the bowler. अशरफ रातर, थैंक्स फॉर योर लव, कीप शेयर दिस लाइव स्ट्रीम. आप शुक्रिया आपका अशरफ रातर साहब. दिस इज उमर, दंदनाता हुआ छक्का, सिक्स बाय तौफीक बट. इससे पहले भी हमने कहा था इसके पास पावर है, इसके पास क्षमता है, इसके पास टेक्निक है खेलने की. दंदनाता हुआ छक्का तौफीक बट के लिए और सीएसके पलालन के. द स्कोर मूव्स ऑन 60 रन्स विदाउट एनी लॉस. नाउ उमर इलाही टू द बैट्समैन तौफीक बट. दिस इज अ गुड कमबैक बाय उमर इलाही. डॉट डिलीवरी, नो रन. Score remains on 60 without any wicket. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव स्ट्रीम में जुड़ने के लिए. आप इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें और कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी क्वालिटी और हमारी आवाज कैसी पहुंच पा रही है और आप कहां से देख रहे हो कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए. नाउ दिस इज उमर इलाही टू द बैट्समैन तौफीक. तौफीक प्लेज अ शॉट हियर एट द एंड. वेरी गुड फील्डिंग एट द एंड. Very good feeling. The two batsmen take a single here. With the single, the score moves on 61 without any loss. Here the two batsmen need cool and calm because they need a low total of 141. Now Umar Ilahi to the batsman Danish. He is on 16 runs. Umar Ilahi to the batsman Danish. Oh, wants to hit this match, but not touch this. Very good delivery by Umar Ilahi. The score remains on 61 without any. Shah Saab playing 11 off check. Can you tell please? Thank you Shah Saab with joining us with this live stream. This is CSK Palalan. Umar Ilahi to the batsman Danish. Danish plays another good shot. Very good shot played by the batsman Danish. This is another 4 par Danish. Another 4 par CSK Palalan. The score moves on 65 without any loss. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव स्ट्रीम में जुड़ने के लिए. अशरफ रातर आपका शुक्रिया. वीडियो क्वालिटी इज गुड एंड वॉइस इज आल्सो क्लियर. थैंक यू. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव स्ट्रीम में जुड़ने के लिए. आप इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले हो इस मैच का आनंद लें. Now after 8 overs the score on 65 without any wicket. Now CSK Palalan they need only 76 runs. This is a very low total given by France 11 Chukar. Here France 11 need to be take early wickets if they want to stay in this match. Umar now Sikandar to the batsman Tawfiq Butt plays a shot here at the end. The two batsmen take a single. With the single the score moves on 66 without any loss. Shah Saab CSK Palalan 11. Sorry Shah Saab sahab, still I cannot tell you. I am very sorry for that Shah Saab sahab. So this is Sikandar to the batsman Danish. Danish plays a very decent and quality shot for 4. This is 4 for Danish. 4 for CSK Palalan. Very good batting by the two batsmen Tawfiq and Danish. The score moves on 70 without any wicket. आज पहले हमने कहा था सीएसके पलालन इनके पास बैटिंग बल्लेबाजी में गहराई है, वो क्षमता रखते हैं इस चेज को हासिल करने में. द टोटल टारगेट इज 141 रन्स गिवन बाय फ्रांस 11 चक्कर. नाउ सिकंदर टू द बैट्समैन दानिश. ही इज ऑन फायर. wants to hit this but very good delivery by Sikandar. Be the batsman. Very well come back by Sikandar. No run. Score remains on 70 without any loss. Pari Ejaz, Ashraf Rathar is a good man. Thank you Pari Ejaz sahab for joining with this live broadcast with us. So this Sikandar here is another shot played by the batsman. Here is a chance of a wicket. This is first wicket for France 11 Chukar. The wicket of Danish. This is end of Danish. He moves on 24 and he faced 27. This is first wicket for CSK Palalan, but they need to not to be here. They need to be calm and cool because they have low total here to win this match to qualify for semi-finals. Now this is the first wicket for CSK Palalan. They lost their first wicket in the shape of Danish. 8.4 ओवर. परेजा साहब आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए और इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर ताकि घर बैठने वाले इस मैच का आनंद लें. Now the new batsman is Shakir is the new batsman for CSK Palalan. इसके पास क्षमता है खेलने की, टेक्निक है. He is a very good talented batsman for CSK Palalan. Sikandar takes his first wicket in the shape of Danish. Sikandar to the new batsman. This is a wide given by the umpire Kamran Butt. Now this is Sikandar to the batsman Shakir, the new batsman for CSK Palalan. Oh, here good delivery by Sikandar at the end. This is missed by the wicket keeper. This is by score for CSK Palalan. यहाँ पे अगर फ्रांस 11 चुकर को बने रहना इस मैच में तो विकेट लेने होंगे यहाँ पे, क्योंकि एक लो टोटल दिया है सीएसके पलालन को. अगर हम सीएसके पलालन की बात करें तो उनके पास बल्लेबाज है, गहराई है बल्लेबाजी में. सो दिस इज सिकंदर टू शाकिर. हियर इज अ चांस ऑफ ए विकेट. कैन ही टेक देयर? नो. द टू बैट्समैन टेक अ सिंगल. विद दिस सिंगल द स्कोर मूव्स ऑन 76 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 1 आफ्टर 9 overs. Parejaz, thanks for joining us with this live stream. Ashraf Rathar, Parejaz Saab is waiting this live broadcast from Kanyakumari, India. Thank you, Ashraf Rathar Saab, for joining us with this live stream. And keep share this live stream with your friends. And you can also support me on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is a quarter final between the two teams, CSK Palalan versus France 11 Chukar. France 11 Chukar, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. But at the end, they gave the total of 141 runs only to CSK Palalan. They lost their early wickets. Only the batsman for France 11. Sikandar is the batsman. He plays very well, luck of 32 runs. आज निराश किया फ्रांस 11 चुकर ने अपने चाहने वालों को. खासकर इरशाद पे आज नजरें थी, आरिफ पे नजरें थी, आज सिकंदर पे नजरें थी, लेकिन निराश किया आज. नाउ द न्यू बॉलर आफ्ताब. दिस इज अ फुल टॉस डिलीवरी, बट एट द एंड हियर इज अ चांस. ही लूज दिस चांस. Aftab Mir is the bowler. He is a talented and young cricketer of this team, France 11. He has much more talent in bowling. Aftab Mir to the batsman Shakir. Shakir plays a shot here, but at the end the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 77 for the loss of 1. Ashraf Rathar, thank you आपका. Sorry, it is watching not waiting. थैंक यू अशरफ साहब इस लाइव स्ट्रीम में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. नाउ दिस इज आफ्ताब मीर टू द बैट्समैन तौसीफ भट्ट. दिस इज अनदर गुड डिलीवरी बाय द यंग एंड एनर्जेटिक प्लेयर ऑफ फ्रांस 11 चुकर, आफ्ताब मीर. The score remains on 76 for the loss of 1. Tawfiq Bhatt, he is on 44. Oh, this is full toss delivery by Aftab Mir. The two batsmen take a single. Score moves on 78 for the loss of 1. Tawfiq Bhatt, he needs 5 runs for his 50. Can he complete? Now the new batsman Shakir. Oh, this is a great shot played by the batsman Shakir. इससे पहले भी हमने कहा था इसमें क्षमता है खेलने की. अब 6 रन्स अपनी टीम को दिलाए, आधा रन दिया अपने, आधा 6 रन फॉर CSK Palalan, 6 for Shakir. The score moves on 78 for the loss of 1. This is a great batting by Shakir. Now CSK Palalan, they need only 57 runs to qualify in semi-finals. This is a great batting by the batsman of CSK Palalan. इससे पहले भी अगर हम बात करेंगे बॉलिंग की तो एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज CSK Palalan ने. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है CSK Palalan के बॉलर्स की, फील्डर्स की और खासकर विकेट कीपिंग की. Now they are on batting. The two batsmen Danish and Tawfiq Bhatt gave their partnership of 52 runs, but Danish loses wicket. And another shot played by the batsman Danish. This is another 6 for Danish, another 6 for CSK Palalan. The score moves on 90. Now they need 51 runs. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठने वाले जो भी है वो घर बैठे इस मैच का आनंद ले। आज एक इंपॉर्टेंट मैच है दोनों टीम के बीच में, सीएसके पलालन और फ्रंट्स 11 चुकर, बट एट द एंड वेरी लो टोटल गिवन बाय फ्रंट्स 11 चुकर टू CSK Palalan. 140 run target for CSK Palalan, but at the end very good batting by the two batsmen Danish and Tawfiq. Now Shakir on non-strike and Tawfiq, he needs 5 runs for his 50. Can he complete his 50? Amir Mir to the batsman Tawfiq. This is a good shot played by the batsman, but at the end very good fielding by Sikandar. The two batsmen complete a single here. With this single, the score moves on 46 of Tawfiq, but 91 is the score for CSK. Amir Mir is the bowler. He's on his bowling mark to the batsman Shakir. Shakir, he's on 14. Amir to Shakir. Oh, दंदनाता हुआ छक्का। आज ये रन दर्ज किए अपने टीम के लिए, अपने लिए शाकिर ने। वो क्षमता रखते हैं छक्के लगाने की शाकिर। Now the score moves on 97 for the loss of 1. The Shakir score is 20 in 7 deliveries. Very good batting by the hit batsman Shakir. Now they need only 44 runs. Can they win this match in 15 overs? It will be seen in next another. Now the new bowler Amir Mir to the batsman Shakir. He is on fire. Very good delivery by Amir. Beat the batsman Shakir. No run. This is good comeback by Amir Mir. The score remains on 97 for the loss of 1. Here was the appeal, but cannot impress the umpire Kamran. But now Amir to the batsman Shakir. Another good delivery by Amir. Beat the batsman. Shakir wants to hit this ball, but at the end he missed this. This is a great ball by Amir Mir. The score remains on 97 for the loss of. Oh, this is great delivery by Amir Mir. The wicket of Shakir. Very good ball by Amir Mir. He takes his wicket of Shakir Mir. This is a second wicket loss for CSK Palalan. They lost the wicket of Shakir, but at the end, very good batting by the hitman Shakir. CSK Palalan is roaring like lion. Best of luck for these guys. Thank you, Ashraf Rathir साहब, for your luck, for your support to CSK Palalan. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव स्ट्रीम में जुड़ने के लिए। आप इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखते हैं वो इस लाइव स्ट्रीम का आनंद ले। Now the score for CSK Palalan is 97 for the loss of 2. Amir Mir, he takes his first wicket in the shape of Shakir. Now they need only 44 runs to win this match to qualify for semi-finals. Qayyum. Tadır yazıyor halas. Tadır yazıyor. Breaking. अब स्टार्ट तेरे हाल जाओ आईडी इनसे हमारे की आईडी काफी यार बन कर यार ठीक है This is a very good cricket player today. Now the big man of CSK Palalan comes to bat. Semi is the batsman for CSK Palalan. He is a very young talented cricketer of CSK Palalan. छक्के और चौके लगाने में माहिर है समी. Now he is on strike. Amir Mir to the batsman Sami. Oh, this is a good delivery by Amir Mir, but cannot stop the two batsmen. And Sami opens his account with this single. It is 11 overs gone. The score on board is 98 for the loss of 2. And Sami opens his account with this single. अब देखना होगा सेमी कैसे खेल का मुजाहरा करेंगे यहाँ पे. जल्दी जल्दी अपने टीम के लिए विन दर्ज करेंगे, सेमीफाइनल्स में क्वालिफाई करेंगे जल्दी जल्दी। अब देखना होगा यहाँ पे सेमी किस तरह की बैटिंग करेंगे आज यहाँ पे। Semi need to be cool and calm here because they have low total to win this match to qualify in semi-finals. They need only 43 runs to win this. Not only win, but they will qualify to semi-finals in this T20 Under-19 tournament here to Qatar. Now the captain Huzaifa Mir. This is the shot played by the batsman, but at the end it is missed by the fielder Arif. The two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 99. Here the two batsmen need to be cool and calm. Now Tawfiq Butt, he needs 4 runs, 1 shot to complete his 50. Huzaifa to the batsman Tawfiq Butt, and this is a good bowling by Huzaifa Butt. Dot delivery. No run. Score remains on 99 for the loss of 2. Huzaifa Butt on his bowling mark to the batsman Tawfiq Butt. He needs 4 runs to complete. Oh, this is 50 for Tawfiq. This is huge 6 by Tawfiq Butt. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है तौफीक बट की। आज छक्कों की बारिश लगाई यहाँ चुकर ग्राउंड में। दिस इज 6 फॉर तौफीक, 6 फॉर सीएसके पलालन। नाउ द स्कोर मूव्स ऑन 105. दिस इज 50 फॉर तौफीक बट. वेरी वेल नॉक प्लेड बाय दिस बैट्समैन तौफीक बट. आज निराश किया फ्रंट 11. Huzaifa to the batsman, wants to hit this ball but missed this ball, and here is beat the batsman by Huzaifa. This is great delivery by Huzaifa. No runs, score remains on 105 for the loss of 2. Now Huzaifa come to ball to batsman Tawfiq Butt. He is on fire. This is great delivery by Huzaifa Butt. Very well come back by Huzaifa Butt. Beat the batsman, no run. Score remains on 105 for the loss of 2. Huzaifa to the batsman Tawfiq. Here is a chance. Can they take? No, this is a single for the two batsmen. The two batsmen take a single here. With this single, the score moves on 106 for the loss of 2. Now they need only 35 runs to win this match. Not only win this match, and they will also qualify for semi-finals in this T20 Under-19 tournament played at Chukatrova ground. This is a great batting by Tawfiq Butt. आज सुस्ती नजर दिखा रही है यहाँ पे प्लेयर्स ऑफ द चुकर फ्रंट 11. Now the bowler Arif comes to bowl to the batsman Semi. Oh, great catch taken by the fielder of front 11 Chukar. This is end of Tawfiq Butt. Very well knocked played by Tawfiq Butt. He moves on. This is end of Tawfiq Butt. He goes on 53. This is a third wicket for CSK Palawan. They have 106 on board and they lost 3 wickets. Very well played by Tawfiq Butt. This is great knock played by the batsman Tawfiq. Now they need only 35 runs to win this match. And they have 7 wickets in hand. आज आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जोड़ने के लिए, और इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले हैं वो भी इस मैच का आनंद ले। After 12 hours, the score on board is 106 for the loss of 3. Now the new batsman come on strike is. Score कुछ लगा? This is a good shot played by the batsman. He opens his account with this 4. Majid is the new batsman on strike. He opens his account with this 4 run. With this 4, the score moves on 110 for the loss of 3. This is Arif to the batsman. Oh, great delivery by Arif. This clean board. He takes his first wicket. The wicket of Majid. He moves on 4 run. Now CSK Palawan. They need to be stay here. They need to be here to win this match because they need 31 runs to win this match to qualify in semi-finals. They lost their fourth wicket in the shape of Majid. Very good delivery by Arif. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले वो भी इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट का आनंद ले, मज़ा ले। और आप हमारे YouTube चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल वहाँ पे भी इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को देख सकते हैं। सो दिस इज एंड ऑफ द बैट्समैन माजिद taken by the bowler Arif. He takes his first wicket. Very good delivery by Arif. Clean bowled. अब जान आ गई है इन फील्डरों में, फ्रांस 11 चुकर के फील्डर्स में। आज निराश किया इरशाद भाई ने अपने चाहने वालों को, अपने फैंस को। Now Arif to the new batsman. Abrar Maglu is the new batsman. Oh, this is a great delivery. Great delivery, but at the end missed by wicket keeper. This is a by score. यहाँ पे चुस्त विकेट कीपिंग करनी होगी, चुस्त फील्डिंग करनी होगी अगर इस मैच में बने रहना है। लेकिन अगर हम देखेंगे फ्रांस 11 के फील्डर्स को काफी सुस्ती नजर आ रही है इनके फील्डिंग में। आरिफ टू द बैट्समैन अबरार मगलू। अगर हम अबरार मगलू की बात करें, इससे पहले भी इसने अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे आज अबरार मगलू ने। नाउ ही इज ऑन स्ट्राइक। आरिफ टू द बैट्समैन अबरार मगलू। द सुकेर। Oh, this is a great delivery by. Oh, this is another wicket for Arif. Another wicket lost CSK Palalan. They lost the wicket of Arif Maglu, Abrar Maglu. CSK lost their 5th wicket in the shape of Abrar Maglu. अब यहाँ पे 27 रन जीत के लिए चाहिए CSK पलालन को। सिर्फ 5 विकेट उनके पास है। यहाँ पे चुस्त खेल का नजर क्रिकेट खेलनी होगी यहाँ पे फ्रांस 11 चुकर को अब, क्योंकि आरिफ ने एक मौका दिया है अपनी टीम को इस मैच में वापसी करने में एक मौका दिया है। आरिफ द ग्रेट बॉलर ऑफ दिस टीम फ्रांस 11 चुकर। ही टेक हिज सेकंड विकेट इन द शेप ऑफ आरिफ मगलू, अबरार मगलू सॉरी। नाउ द स्कोर इज 114 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 5। Now need 27 runs to win this match to qualify in semi-finals for CSK Palalan. Can they win this match? It will be seen in next. The batsman Semi, आज सब उन पर निर्बंध है। एक अच्छे खिलाड़ी है Semi, अभी वो नॉन स्ट्राइक एंड पर है। Now the new batsman comes on is strike is Saqib is the new batsman for CSK Palalan. On non-strike and Semi is on non-strike. Arif to the batsman Saqib. Oh, this is another great delivery by Arif. Very good delivery. Beat the batsman, new batsman Saqib. No run. Score remains on 114. आज एक लो टोटल दिया फ्रांस 11 ने। यहाँ पे अगर 30 रन 40 रन और होते इस मैच की हालत कुछ और ही होती यहाँ पे, लेकिन दाद देनी होगी आज CSK पलालन के बॉलर्स की। एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे चुका टुलबा ग्राउंड में। बट ऑलरेडी नाउ आरिफ he take his second wicket. Very good bowling by Arif. He completed 3 overs and take 2 crucial wickets for his team. Now the batsman Semi on strike. अब सब निर्बंध है इस बैट्समैन Semi पर। एक जाने माने टैलेंटेड यंग एनर्जेटिक पैशनेट क्रिकेट है CSK पलालन के। आज खेलना होगा अपनी टीम के लिए, विन देनी होगी, क्वालिफाई करना होगा इस टूर्नामेंट के सेमीफाइनल्स में। Now Sikandar is the bowler on his bowling mark to the batsman. Oh, very good delivery by Sikandar. Beat the batsman. The batsman wants to hit his ball, but at the end he not touched his ball. And very good delivery by Sikandar. The score remains on 114. Sikandar to the batsman Sami. Oh, very good shot played by the batsman. This is a huge six for Sami. Six for CSK Palalan. Now they need only 21 runs to qualify in semi-finals. इसके पास क्षमता है इस बैट्समैन के पास, समी के पास, because he is a very young, energetic, talented, passionate cricketer of this team CSK Palalan. The big six by Sami. Now score moves on 120 for the loss of 5. Now they need only 21 runs, not only win this match, but they will also qualify for semi-finals in this T20 Under-19 tournament played at Chukkar Tulbagh ground. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। आप सभी से निवेदन है कि इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का आनंद ले और इस मैच का मजा ले, इस बैटिंग का, समी की बैटिंग का मजा ले। आज यहाँ छक्कों की बारिश होगी सीएसके पलालन की तरफ से, सीएसके के बैट्समैनों की तरफ से, खासकर तौफीक बट, he plays a very well luck of 52. The batsman Shakir is also plays very well luck. Danish, he plays also very well luck here at Chukkar Tulbagh ground. Now they need only 21 runs to win this match and qualify for semi-finals. Now Sikandar on his bowling mark to the batsman Sami, the big hitter, the talented young batsman. Oh, this is a very good comeback by Sikandar. Good delivery, beat the batsman Sami. The score remains on 120. The two batsmen, Sami and Shakib, they need to be cool and calm here because they have low total. They need only 21 runs to win this match. Oh, this is another good shot played by the batsman Sami. Sami is on fire. This is 6 for Sami, 6 for CSK. The score moves on 126 for the loss of 5. Now they need only 15 runs to win this match to qualify in semi-finals. इससे पहले भी हमने इस बैट्समैन के बारे में कहा था कि ये बैट्समैन जो है इसके पास क्षमता है, टैलेंट है, he is very good talented cricketer of this CSK Palalan team. आज छक्कों की बारिश हुई यहाँ पे चुक्कर तुलबाग ग्राउंड में सीएसके के पलालन के बल्लेबाजों की तरफ से, खासकर तौफीक बट. नाउ समी इज ऑन फायर. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। आप सभी से निवेदन है कि आप इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का आनंद ले, इस बैटिंग, समी की बैटिंग का आनंद ले। $15 runs to win this match and 15 runs to qualify in semi-finals for this tournament, Under-19 tournament in Chukkar Tulbagh ground. The three teams, Tangmarak Billus, Kashmiri United and Chukkar Cricket Club, they have already qualified for semi-finals in this tournament. Now the door for CSK Palalan is open to qualify for semi-finals in this tournament. Very good batting by Tawfiq Bhatt, Danish, Shakir and also Sami. अगर हम बात करें आज फ्रंट्स 11 चुक्कर की, आज बहुत ही निराश किया अपने चाहने वालों को, अपने फैंस को आज निराश किया। आज फ्रंट्स 11 चुक्कर ने आज लो टोटल किया आज सीएसके पलालन को जीतने के लिए 141 रन टू विन दिस मैच. लो टोटल गिवन बाय फ्रंट्स 11 चुक्कर. ओनली वन बैट्समैन सिकंदर प्लेज अ गुड नॉक ऑफ 32 रन्स. बाकी जो बैट्समैन है वो किसी जल्दी में थे आज. So this is 126 on board for the loss of 5 after 13.4 hours. आज अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया सीएसके पलालन ने, अच्छी बॉलिंग की, अच्छी बैटिंग का मुजाहरा कर रहे हैं आज, और अच्छी बॉलिंग, फील्डिंग, कीपिंग आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है. वेरी गुड डिसिप्लिन एंड इंप्रेसिव क्वालिटी क्रिकेट प्लेड here at Chukkar Tulbagh ground by CSK Palalan. अब बॉल ही गुम हो गई, इतना बड़ा चौका लग गया, सभी की तरफ से बॉल गुम हो गई, थोड़ा वक्फा लगेगा, उसके लिए हम आपसे क्षमा चाहते हैं। आज लगे तो बैठ सकता। Kepala dah yul beda. Allah ke mas dan aku kan ya. Panaran sekarang. Now they need only 15 runs to win this match. Not only win this match, but also they will qualify in semi-finals for this tournament, under 19 T20 tournament at Chukkar Tulba ground. This is a very good disciplined, impressive tournament at Chukkar Tulba ground, organized by Abdul Hamid, Kamran Bhatt, Mir Ubaid. Now Sikandar on his bowling mark to the batsman Sami. Sami is on fire. He needs 15 runs to win this match to qualify in semi-finals. आप सभी का शुक्रिया. Now Sikandar, oh, what's the hit is but and a very good bowling by Sikandar. Here Sami, he need to be cool and calm. He need only 15 runs to win this match to qualify in semi-finals. Now Sikandar to the batsman Sami. This is a wide delivery by Sikandar. Now they need only 14 runs to win this match. This is quarter final between the two teams, CSK Palalan versus Friends 11 Chukkar. Sikandar to the batsman Sami. Wants to hit this putt and he missed the shot. Very good delivery by Sikandar. The score remains on 127 for the loss of 5 after 14 hours. Very well knock off Tawfiq, but 53 runs. Shakir plays also very well knock. Also Danish, he plays also very well. Now the two batsmen Sami and Saqib. अब इस खेल को जीतने की मैच को जीतने के लिए सिर्फ 14 रन की दरकार है सीएसके पलालन को. अपने टीम को क्वालिफाई करने के लिए सेमीफाइनल्स में 14 रन दरकार है सीएसके पलालन को. Now they need only 14 runs to win this match and qualify in semi-finals. Before this, the three teams, Tangmarg Billows, Kashmir United and Chukkar Cricket Club have already qualified for semi-finals in this T20 under 19 tournament. Now Saqib, the new batsman on strike. Arif to the bat. Oh, this is wicket for Arif. This is great delivery by Arif. Wicket for Arif. Very good delivery. Clean bowled Arif. Saqib, the batsman, he goes on duck. Now CSK Palalan, they lost their 6th wicket. अगर यहाँ पे और 30 या 40 रन होते तो मैच की हालत कहीं कुछ और ही होती यहाँ पे. लेकिन एक छोटा सा टोटल दिया यहाँ पे 141 रन का टारगेट या फ्रेंड्स 11 चुक्कर ने सीएसके पलालन को. This is a cricket, this is match Win or loss is the game. Now the new batsman come to on strike is Tahir. Tahir is the new batsman. Arif to the batsman Tahir. Very good delivery by Arif. Dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 127 for the loss of 6. Now they need only 14 runs to win this match. Arif to the batsman. This is good shot, but here is a chance. Oh, he lost this chance. Good delivery by Arif, but cannot stop the two batsmen. Take a single. With the single, the score moves on 128. Now they need only 13 runs to win this match. Not only win, but they will qualify in semi-finals for this T20 Under-19 tournament. Arif on his bowling mark to the batsman Sami. This is a great delivery by Arif. Dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 128 for the loss of 6. Arif to the batsman, and this is a great fielding at the end by Aftab Mir. Very good fielding. The two batsmen take a single. Now they need 12 runs to win this match. Arif to the batsman. This is a good delivery. Great delivery by Arif. Dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 129 for the loss of 6. आज दोनों टीमों की अगर बात करें तो एक अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा यहाँ पे दिखाया चुकर क्रिकेट क्लब में, चुकर तुलबा ग्राउंड में, खासकर सीएसके पलालन आज अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया। यहाँ पे बॉलिंग से भी, फील्डिंग से भी, नाउ बैटिंग से भी आज अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया, खासकर तौफीक बख्श, शाकिर, दानिश एंड समी. Now they need only 12 runs to win this match to qualify in semi-finals. They need to be cool and calm here. They have 30 deliveries left. Amir Mir on his bowling mark to the batsman Sami. This is big wicket for Chukar Prince 11. They take a wicket off Sami. Very good bowling by Arif Mir. He take the wicket off Sami. The big wicket for Prince 11 Chukar. Sami wants to hit this ball, but he misses and loses wicket. He make only 13 runs. Now they need only 11 runs, 12 runs to win. And France 11 Chukar, they need only 3 wickets to win this match. This is a great drama here at this match between the two teams, CSK Palalan versus France 11 Chukar. सबसे पहले ये लग रहा था कि ये मैच जो है एक तरफा हो जाएगा, लेकिन इस मैच में जो इस वक्त अगर हम कह सकते हैं तो मैच दोनों टीमें जो है वो बराबरी के समय पे इस वक्त. अब 3 विकेट चाहिए फ्रांस 11 चुकर को और 12 रन चाहिए सीएसके पलालन को इस मैच को जीतने के लिए. यहाँ पे थोड़ा अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा करना होगा फ्रांस 11 चुकर को, क्योंकि सिर्फ 3 विकेट चाहिए इस मैच में बने रहना है. इस मैच में जीत दर्ज करनी है, लेकिन सीएसके पलालन दे नीड ओनली 12 रन्स टू विन दिस मैच. Now the new batsman is Ashik Pandya is the new batsman. This is another good delivery, great delivery at the end. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves on 130. Now they need 11 runs to win this match. And France 11 Chukar, they need 3 wickets to win this match. Who will qualify for semi-finals? It will be seen in next. Now Arif, this is a chance here. He lost this chance now. This is not a good catch taken by the fielder Umar Elahi. This was the chance of a wicket. This was the chance of a wicket. He lost this wicket. This is a lazy cricket by France 11 Chukar. Oh, this is another great delivery by Arif Mir. There was the chance. अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया आज सीएसके पलालन ने, लेकिन दाद देनी होगी। शुक्र फ्रांस 11 की वापसी में नजर आ रहे हैं इस वक्त। अब 10 रन चाहिए इस मैच, 9 रन चाहिए इस मैच को जीत के लिए सीएसके पलालन को। नाउ दे नीड ओनली 9 runs to win this match. Umar Elahi, he missed the catch of the batsman. Very lazy fielding at the end. Now Amir Mir to the batsman. This is another good delivery by Amir Mir. The score remains on 132 for the loss of 7. A very great bowling by the bowler Amir Mir. Oh, this is a great delivery by Amir Mir. Beat the batsman. Very good delivery. Dot delivery. No run. Score remains on 132 for the loss of 7. Tahir and Ashik Pandya is on now 9 runs to win this match. France 11 Chukar, they need 3 wickets. If they want to stay in this match, in this tournament, they need wickets, only 3 wickets. Now Umar Elahi is the bowler to the batsman. Ashik Pandya is the batsman on strike. Oh, this is a great delivery, great delivery. Here is the appeal. Yo, very good delivery by Umar Elahi. Oh, this is wicket, very good wicket for Umar Elahi. This is a wicket for France 11 Chukar. CSK Palalan, they lost their 8th wicket. Very good delivery by Umar Elahi. Now they need 9 runs. Here is a drama. आज अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया फ्रांस 11 चुकर की तरफ से। अब वापसी नजर आ रहे हैं इस मैच में। 2 विकेट दरकार है इस मैच में बने रहना है, इस टूर्नामेंट में बने रहना है। सीएसके पलालन, they need 9 runs to win this match. It will be seen which team will qualify for semi-finals. इससे पहले हमें लग रहा था एक तरफा मैच सीएसके पलालन, लेकिन दाद देनी होगी आरिफ की, जिसने 3 विकेट छटकाए अपनी टीम के लिए। और अब उमर इलाही, he is on his bowling mark. He take a wicket, crucial wicket here. Now they need 2 wickets to win this match. अब देखना होगा कौन टीम क्वालिफाई करेगी सेमीफाइनल्स में। This is a drama here at Chukartoba ground between the two teams. Now Umar Elahi to the batsman. Oh, great delivery, good delivery. Ah, this is pressure. Here is pressure between the two batsmen. 9 runs, 2 wickets. Which team qualify for semi-finals? It will be seen in next. कौन सी टीम qualify करेगी? Now Umar Elahi to the batsman. This is another good delivery, but at the end the two batsmen take a single. Here France 11 Chukar, they need to be cool and calm here. Now 8 runs to win this match to qualify in semi-finals. And France 11 Chukar, they need 2 wickets to win this match. Will Chukar 11 take these 2 wickets? Can they qualify? Can they take 2 wickets? It will be seen. They need to be 2 wickets to win this match. This is Umar Elahi, and there's another good delivery. Very good delivery by Umar Elahi. Very good delivery. This is a very good delivery by Umar Elahi. Here is great appeal, but cannot impress the umpire Kamran Bhatt. Now 8 runs to win, 2 wickets to win. Which team qualify for semi-finals? Here is a drama between the two teams. Tahir, he is on strike. Umar Elahi, he is on his bowling mark. To the batsman Tahir. यहाँ पे अलग ही मजा है इस मैच में। 2 विकेट चाहिए फ्रंट 11 चुक्कर को. Now Umar Elahi to the batsman. This is another good delivery. Good delivery by Umar Elahi. At the end, very good fielding for Huzaf. No run. Score remains on 133. Now they need 8 runs in 19 deliveries. Front 11 chukka. They need 2 wickets. This is another great delivery. Very good delivery by Umar Elahi. Dart delivery. और दांत देनी होगी कीपर की. 4 रन बचाए अपनी टीम के लिए. एक अच्छी सी छप्पी लगाई यहाँ पे कीपर फैसल ने. यहाँ पे दरकार है 8 रन की और फ्रंट 11 को 2 विकेट चाहिए. Which team qualify for semi-finals? It will be seen. यहाँ पे ट्विस्ट इस मैच में. Now the new bowler is Arif Mir. He take also 2 wickets for his team. Very crucial wickets for Arif. Now he's on his bowling mark to the batsman Imran. Imran is on strike. Amir Mir to the batsman Tahir. This is a great delivery by Amir Mir. Dot delivery, no run. यहाँ पे ऐसे ही बॉलिंग दरकार है फ्रंट 11 चुक्कर को. इस वक्त दोनों बैट्समैन प्रेशर में नजर आ रहे हैं. The 2 batsmen need to be cool and calm. They have 2 wickets and they have only 8 runs to win this match. Now Amir Mir to the batsman, and this is a good shot played by the batsman, but at the end very good fielding by Arif. The 2 batsmen take a single. Now they need only 7 runs to win. Now they need only 1 hit to win this match. Arif Mir on his bowling mark to the batsman. So this is a good shot played by the batsman. This is a 4 for Tahir, 4 for CSK Palalan. Now this match is in the hands of the CSK Palalan. They are now in driving seat. Now they need only 3 runs to win this match. In 15 deliveries, CSK Palalan are on driving seat now. With this 4, great shot played by the batsman Tahir. Amir to the batsman Tahir. This is great shot played by the batsman, and this is a win for CSK Palalan. Very good shot played by Tahir at the end. Now this is end of this match, end of this inning. CSK Palalan, they qualify for semi-finals for this T20 Under-19 tournament. Very well knocked play today by the batsmen of CSK Palalan, especially Tausif Bhatt, Shakir, Danish, and this Tahir also plays very well knock. So this is end of this match. CSK Palalan qualify in semi-finals in T20 Under-19 tournament. Congratulations to this team CSK Palalan. Thanks for watching. Thanks for this broadcast. Thanks for your support. Now this is Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.